Welcome you all once again for this session. In this module, we are going to learn the poem from grade 7 English. Yeah, let us start the session. From this picture itself, you can easily understand what the topic is going to be, what might be the topic. Yes. So you could see that there are some singers, they just holding their musical instruments in their hand. Yes. Now you all guess the topic, I think. Yes, that is wandering singers. And it is written by the poetess Sarojini Naidu. Let us know something about Sarojini Naidu. And she was called as the Nightingale of India. Okay, and this name is given to her by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Let us read. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet, a proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and anti imperialistic ideas. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi. I think that's enough about this. This is enough about the poet. Let us see the video of the poem.
Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street. With lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are our kindred, the world is our home. Our lays are of cities whose luster is shed, the laughter and beauty of women long dead. The sword of old battles, the crown of old kings, and happy and simple and sorrowful things. What hope shall we gather? What dreams shall we sow? Where the wind calls, our wandering footsteps we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate.
Yes, I hope you all understand the poem. Let us start the
Where the voice of the
meaning and let us learn the meaning and summary of the poem. Yeah. So, Wandering Singers is written by the poet Sarojini Naidu. The wandering singers of this poem have no fixed abode. They are forever on the road, led to ever new places by the voice of the wind. Whether they are traveling through streets of forest, the places echo with their songs. These songs have many themes: cities that were once glorious but no more, happy and beautiful women who died a long time ago, old battles and old kings, as can be seen. All these themes have something pleasant: beauty, happiness, glory, or bravery, and something sad about them. They belong to the past. So, from this first para, what the poet is, the first stanza is all about the wandering singers have. They don't have any particular place to live, they don't have any particular house to live. Okay, they just forever on the road, they just move on the road, and they start singing songs. That is what given in the first stanza. Led to ever new places by the voice of the wind, which means how the wind move by one place to another. Same like that, these wandering singers move move from one place to another. They won't stay in a place. Okay, where they are traveling through streets of forest, the places echo with their songs. So they can walk everywhere, they can move everywhere through streets or forest, and you can hear the echo of their songs, okay, wherever you went. And these songs have many themes, and not only they don't have any particular theme to sing a song about their singing. They have variety of themes in their songs. Okay, what are the themes they might be? Let us see that the theme may be based on cities that were once glorious but no more now, happy and beautiful women who died a long time ago, old battles and old king. As can be seen, all these themes have something pleasant, which means these themes, the, their songs uh, will be based on many things, many themes such as beauty, happiness, glory, or bravery, everything. That's what it was given in the first stanza. Come to the next para, which means the next stanza will also say the same meaning. See that the wandering singers have no family and no home, but they consider everyone their family and the whole world their home. You could see they don't. You could see the wandering singers have no family and also they don't have home. Okay, but they consider everyone as their family. Okay, and the whole world, the world is their home. The world is their home. Okay, they don't have separate home. The whole world is their home. Okay, they do not dream and plan the way other people do, for their lives do not follow a fixed regular pattern. Their destiny is as changeable as the changing direction of the wind. So you could see they don't have any particular dream to achieve, right? So regular people as we are, we have some separate dreams to achieve and we have some goal to reach, but these wandering singers have have no dreams or goal to achieve. Okay, they just move like anything, like a wind. That's why they are given. They are not held back by love or happiness, yet they love their wandering lifestyles and are happy to keep traveling forever. So they have some separate they have their own lifestyle and they don't want to stay somewhere, stay in a particular place, and they don't have any family to stop them. They don't have any love to stop them. Okay, they just keep on traveling forever. That is their life. Okay, and that is what the whole poem is all about the wandering singers. While reading the poem, you can easily understand from this summary. And thank you for